Was I nervous to get the vaccine? No, I wasn't, and I'll tell you why. For the past few months, we have seen how patients can be affected by COVID-19, and the risks that are associated with the vaccine are nowhere near as terrible as the things that I've seen in my patients who actually get COVID-19 infection. So no, I was actually very excited to get the vaccine today. Recommend everybody to get the vaccine, absolutely. I have already told my family and friends that as soon as they are offered the vaccine, they should absolutely try to get it.